Okay, thanks for stopping and taking a look. I've been working on this jig for quite some time, and I think I've finally narrowed it down. I've made had a couple of mistakes, but I think I got it. So, as you can see, I've got it set up for EC5s, EC3s, XT90s and 60s, Dean's connectors, and also added 6mm, 7mm, and 8mm bullet hole connectors. And I did find out with the Deans they were falling through, so I added a back plate on the back so they don't fall through. Alright, just see how they fit. I've marked everything positive and negative so we can't go wrong. So there's the EC5 connector fits in. Then we got the EC3 connector fits in. And then we got the bullet connectors for the EC5s. These are for the device side. Next is for the battery side. Same with the EC3s for the device. Everything sits in the hole so they don't fall out. Just a quick reference, I fixed the XT90 hole so it actually fits. There's the XT90 and here's the XT60. I don't have the counterparts for either ones, but I know they fit in the other side. And then for the Deans, I got 4 slots for the Deans. Just put your connectors together and drop in the hole, and then we can flip it around and tilt it however you need it. And just a quick little demo. I've already got this wire tinned and ready to go, just so you can see how this is. Go ahead and set a connector up. And you got the positive one. Let it cool for a second. So now with these, all we got to do is, first of all we got to do is do it right. Pardon me, I ain't used to doing stuff on a camera. This is pretty much for show, not for use. Once it's cooled, you can just pull your connector off, drop it in the correct side, and knock it in the hole, and there you go.